Okay, come on in and take a seat. Let's get started. Sit anyway. Pass, speak, succeed. Eiken Pre-2 vocabulary for real speaking. How to give reasons clearly. Because. So. That's why.
Many Eiken Pre-2 students can answer one sentence, but they freeze when they need to explain why. In today's lesson, you'll learn simple sentence patterns to give clear reasons in the speaking test. In this lesson, you will learn how to give one clear reason using because, so, and that's why. Because gives a reason, so gives a result, and that's why gives a conclusion. One clear reason is enough for the test.
Model sentences. Repeat after me. Because. I study English because it is useful. I study English because it is useful. I like English because it helps my future. I like English because it helps my future. So, English is useful, so I study it every day. English is useful, so I study it every day. English is interesting, so I watch English videos. English is interesting, so I watch English videos. That's why. English helps me communicate. That's why I study it. English helps me communicate. That's why I study it. English is important for my job. That's why I'm learning it. English is important for my job. That's why I'm learning it. Common mistakes. I like English because useful. Correct. I like English because it is useful. Why? Because needs a subject and a verb. Mistake. English is useful, so I study it. Correct. English is useful, so I study it. Why? So connects ideas. Real speaking practice. Question 1. Free time. What do you like to do in your spare time? Model answer 1. I like to watch movies because it helps me relax. Model answer 2. I like to listen to music, so I listen to it at night. Question 2. Food. What food do you like? I like Italian food because it is delicious. Question 3. School/work. What subject do you like? I like English because it is interesting. Question 4. Weekend. What do you usually do on weekends? I usually stay at home because I want to relax.
Mia, what do you like to do in your spare time?
I like to listen to music because it makes me happy.
Very good, clear and natural. Ken, what food do you like?
I like curry, so I eat it often.
Perfect. Let's try a mini quiz. Choose the best answer. I like exercise. So, because it keeps me healthy. I was tired. A, because. B, so. I went to bed early. English helps my future. A, because. B, that's why I study it. Download the worksheet and practice the same daily life question sentence patterns. The link is in the description. I'll see you in the next lesson.